And by the way, we would like you to join the part of our conversation. So go ahead and tweet a picture of a dog licking its asshole to hashtag Night Attack. We want
Cat
to make
crack.
sure we
You know
know
it's one of
all
a
the
kind.
dogs licking their assholes have a place in this internet conversation. By the way, and also we want to invite everybody to join the conversation. Hashtag Night Attack. We're getting so many pictures of dogs licking their own assholes. It's really just an amazing sight to see how often this is happening. Let's get back to your story, Brian. So Patrick Rothfuss, prolific author, has never had barbecue before.
Wait,
Hold on, I'm
wait,
sitting
I
up
don't
One and a
understand.
beige one. Look at them. They're just going at it.
I'm doing a search here.
Are you-
Twitter.com/.
Are you
Hashtag
really?
Night Attack.
Oh,
Jesus
oh, it
Christ.
That's
really
how you
is
join the
happening.
conversation right now. If you'd like to use hashtag Night Attack, all sorts of dogs licking their own buttholes.
She's gonna do it. It says.
All right, Brian, let's get
Poor Patrick, man.
something where we can all join the conversation. Hashtag Night Attack. Dogs licking their own assholes are the pictures you are tweeting the hashtag Night Attack. But as we do that, Brian, let's talk about the people who really make this show happen.
Real quick, do we count dogs licking other dogs' assholes?
Listen, Brian, it's a conversation. We really don't have a choice on what people are talking about. The amount of pictures of and combinations of dogs and assholes is something that's out of our hands.
Okay, well, good enough. Make money for mail route. Hey, we got a random caller on the air. Caller, you're on the air. What's up, buddy?
Oh, hey, what's up? Fuck you!
All right, that was.
Hey, we're opening up the call lines. Brian, it's Frat Party Friday.
Yeah, it is. I feel like we were just hanging out by the keg and someone just ran up and shouted that shit at us.
I mean, that's what happens at fucking frat parties, right?